Here at Factory Steps, we source only the finest walnut for our live edge slabs. Perfect for your next river table project. All right, keep coming straight back. Easy now, and hold it there.
Okay, team, lift together now.
Got the weight.
Bring it straight back, easy onto the dolly.
If a grower should answers, it all starts here at quality inspection. We meticulously check every incoming slab moisture content.
Check this edge for inclusions.
Minor void here, but the grain looks excellent for epoxy.
Here at the facility, we utilize these enormous reactors to synthesize the epoxy resin. This is where
On this episode of Factory Steps, we're starting the design process. Our artisan, Raj, is selecting the perfect walnut slabs for our river table project. Here are the final specifications for the luxury river table. Everything is approved.
Perfect. We'll start prepping the walnut now.
Welcome back to the Factory Steps. Today we're starting on the river table. We use this industrial bandsaw to get the rough dimensions before we add the epoxy. To get these walnut slabs ready for the river table pour, we start with a deep clean using this industrial pressure washer. Now watch as we blast away the debris.
Welcome back to Factory Steps. Today we're stabilizing this gorgeous walnut slab using a 2-part clear epoxy.
Welcome back to the Factory Steps mixing room. Ken is preparing the exact ratio of resin and hardener for our Blue River table pour.
Look at this incredible array of colors. We have everything from shimmering metallics to deep, rich pigments, all ready for our epoxy pour today.
Now that our slabs are positioned, it's time to build the mold. We use high-quality melamine and plenty of clamps to ensure a perfect seal. Check the top gap.
Looks good. 0.5 right here.
Okay, lock it down. Welcome back to the workshop. Now that the slabs are secure, we're applying a thin seal coat of epoxy to prevent bubbles in the main pour.
This is it, the moment you've all been waiting for. Look at that color just explode into the river channel. Absolutely stunning.
And there it is. Look at that stunning blue river. The cure is absolutely perfect.
Look at this volume. We've mixed a massive batch of crystal clear epoxy ready for the flood coat.
This is the moment we've all been waiting for. Look at that crack forming. And there it is, absolutely stunning. What a reveal.
Now for the crucial part, trimming the excess epoxy. We need absolute precision here to get that perfect edge on the river table.
Check the overhang on the left side again. Yeah.
Looks consistent with the plans. Let's mark it. To achieve that perfect thickness, we're bringing out the industrial wide belt sander. This machine is key to flattening the entire surface of this river table.
The key to a flawless river table is the finishing. We start with 320 grit, meticulously hand sanding the entire surface before the final polish.
Welcome back to Factory Steps. Now that the epoxy is cured, it's time for the final shine. Sarah here is loading the buffer with our specialized compound.
Here in the metal shop, the welders are creating the custom steel hairpin legs that will support our luxury epoxy river table.
Now for the final step, attaching these powder-coated hairpin legs. Sarah and John are getting the first one secured right now.
Steady now and set her down easy.
Absolutely perfect. Look at that shine.
Welcome back to Factory Steps. As you can see, the final comprehensive checks are complete, and this stunning river table has just received final approval.
Length 96 1/8.
Confirmed. Width 42.5 inches.
Perfect match to the specifications.